Here's to many more achievements in your professional journey. Congratulations on achieving this significant milestone. Your dedication and hard work have paid off. All the best that you embark on this meaningful journey. Be the change that you want to see in the world. Let us strive together to create a brighter future through quality education. Thank you for coming and celebrating with us. Please all stand for the exit of colors.